Today's homes are filled with connected devices. Creating a cohesive and seamless experience that ties all your devices together is now more important than ever. SmartThings is the easy way to turn your home into a smart home. Get started with the Samsung SmartThings Hub, the brain of your smart home. It wirelessly connects your devices and makes them work together. Control and manage hundreds of different compatible devices, all through the SmartThings app. Receive alerts from connected devices, automate them to turn on and off, and create scenes like good morning and goodbye. You can even control your home with your voice by connecting SmartThings with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. With the SmartThings motion sensor, know when there's unexpected movement in your home and receive alerts in real time, right through your phone. Save yourself time and energy by letting your room know when you've entered and left without lifting a finger. And with a magnetic mount, you can place the sensor anywhere and direct it where you want it. The SmartThings multipurpose sensor lets you know when doors and windows are opened or closed. Set automatic routines when you leave home. And set connected lights to turn on and off as you open doors and cabinets. Turn any ordinary household device into a smart device with a SmartThings Outlet. Take control of your lights, electronics, and even small appliances, all from your smartphone. Or even get a little extra help from any compatible voice assistants. Take control of multiple connected devices with the touch of a SmartThings button. Place control of all your favorite scenes, settings, and devices within reach. Accidents don't happen conveniently. But whether you're close by or on the go, the SmartThings water leak sensor will alert you immediately so you can take action. Place the sensor under sinks, by water heaters, or other appliances. SmartThings, the easy way to turn your home into a smart home.
Introducing the next generation Wink Hub 2. Faster and more reliable, Wink Hub 2 brings hundreds of products from trusted brands together into a simple, intuitive smart home experience. Wink Hub 2 is designed to be featured in your home, not hidden behind cords. Sleeker, more refined, and 25% slimmer, the upright design maximizes range to ensure Wink Hub 2 communicates with your smart products smoothly. Wink brings together the best smart home brands, so you can choose the smart products you like and know with confidence they'll work seamlessly together. That's why the new Wink Hub 2 supports more smart home technologies than any other. An improved Wi-Fi radio and the addition of an Ethernet port improve connectivity, while an upgraded core provides increased processing speeds and more memory. This makes controlling your devices faster, while allowing us to offer advanced automations like locally run schedules and robots. Security is paramount when it comes to your home. Wink Hub 2 includes new hardware mechanisms that prevent tampering and ensure your hub is only running on trusted software. Connecting your Wink Hub 2 couldn't be easier. The Wink app will automatically discover your hub and get you set up in a matter of minutes. You can also quickly transfer all of your smart products and personal settings from the original hub to Wink Hub 2. The Wink Hub you love just got better.
Say hello to Echo Plus, a hands-free speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features premium audio powered by Dolby and a built-in hub that can quickly set up and control your smart home devices. Just say, "Alexa, discover my devices."
Discovering devices.
And Echo Plus does the rest. Now your voice can lock the doors, brighten the room, and more. Alexa, turn on the living room light. Ready for some music? Just ask to play your favorite songs from your favorite places. Alexa, play some country.
Here's a station for country music.
Alexa can also wake you up, fill you in, call almost anyone, and more. Best of all, Echo Plus and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Plus from Amazon.
Don't stop when I walk up on the tightrope. I can see things like they're micro. Hey, go, go, hey, go, go. Don't stop when my heart spins like a cartwheel. The electric sparks that I feel. Hey, go, go, hey, go, go.
Manage your home wirelessly with the iHome Control app and smart plugs.
Siri, turn on the living room.
iHome Control is HomeKit enabled and works with both the Apple and Android platforms. Because it's cloud-based, you can manage your home from anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. You can also control multiple iHome smart plugs or trigger multiple plugs at once. The ISP8's remote control is also perfect for your guests and children who don't have access to your phone. The ISP8 helps you save money by monitoring the power consumed by your connected devices. Use the iHome Control app to review your full power consumption report. Enjoy the broadest compatibility and platform partnerships of any smart plug. Make your home smarter with iHome's smart plugs. iHome, intelligent home solutions.
One, two, three, four. Can I have a little more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you. Boom, 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 boom. Sail the ship. Boom, boom. Chop the tree. Boom, boom. Skip the rope. Boom, boom. Look at me. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together. All together now. All together now. A, B, C, D. Can I bring my friend to T, E, F, G, H, I, J? I love you. All together now. All together now. All together now. All together now.